Welcome. My name is Thomas LEDFORD. I'm here to talk about in this video a Drake tax software fast track training course, and everything I do is geared towards helping the new entrepreneur get started fast by leveraging my 19 years of experience, 13 as a business owner in the tax preparation industry. And so I'm here to help you to build your business really quick fast, help you to not make the mistakes I made by being new to being in business, especially in the tax preparation service. It's a crucial part of being in business in general. Out of all the different business models you can have, a business industry to be in, being a tax preparation service is one of the most important businesses you can have, and you are looked at much closer than any other business entity because you work directly in the field of tax preparation, and so they look at you on a different level than any other business or any other category of business. So it's important not to make certain mistakes inside of your business, especially being in the tax preparation industry. And so this course is designed with the purpose of helping new Drake users learn how to use it much quicker and faster. And over the 6 weeks training course that I give with you, it's helped you to get to know, like, and trust me enough where you see the benefits of getting all in and joining my mentorship and coaching program. Because my mentorship and coaching clients get to use my Drake software for no charge. And so in this particular training, when you click on the link, it will take you and give you the option to upgrade to my mentorship and coaching program for $597. And I don't know how long that's going to last, because the regular price on it is $1,997, but I knocked it down to $997. And with a special I'm doing right now, if you purchase the software course, it gives you the option to upsell through my mentorship and coaching program. And so, like I said, my mentorship and coaching clients get this course for free. So what will happen is, if you decided to purchase the software and you decide to take the upsell and join my mentorship and coaching program, I would refund you the $47 back after the transaction and everything has been made, which is a bonus that a lot of people won't do when it comes to upselling a product. But that's a special bonus offering I'm giving for people who take action no later than June the 5th. This special lasts to June the 5th. And so if you know you're ready to get started, you know you're new to using Drake software, you know you are new business owner inside the tax preparation industry, and you need to get all in, where you're committed to your business, you're committed to making it work, you're committed to learning and being all you can be as an entrepreneur in the tax preparation industry, and have someone who can guide you through that process and make it simple for you is what I offer. So inside my video description area, I'm going to leave you some contact information if you want to reach out to me and talk to me and ask me some questions before making a purchase of this nature. I understand it. Especially if you don't know, like, and trust me enough by being a part of my channel, being a part of my audience, or being a part of my network. I understand. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so every time I upload a video go live, you'll be notified. And so you get to follow me on my awesome journey as I continue to be in this industry for the last 19 years, last 13 as a business owner. And I'll definitely catch you in my next video.